We got some new lower prices, lots of clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make virtual review videos, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Talking about discounts, $75 down from $149. This is our SDS rotary hammer. You got a jigsaw bag tool, a jigsaw, $70 down from $99. Barrel grip. You got a rolling toolbox, $79.98. This one just was laying there. Then you got the 23 down from $24.98 for the plate, Tough System 2.0. 39 down from $59 for the 65-foot laser measure. And the 30-foot ray laser measure, $49. That's what they look like. Pretty nice discounts on these laser measurers. That's a 30-footer. Alright, so, and then these guys, now that the winter's here, there's a lot of clothing that needs to be worn now. So you got some work clothing, $49, and then for these Carhartt sweaters, they're $54.99. These are really nice. They do have the logo on the side, the arm. That's pretty nice. Alright, so $15 down from $19. You got the X large gray heavy duty cotton. And then you got the Milwaukee pack out tumblers, 30 ounce, $24.88 down from $29.88. That's pretty good. I ended up paying like $34 for mine. Husky drawer liner, $14.98. All this stuff was on clearance. It's in the tool section. $9.88 down from $14.88 for the nitro dip gloves. And then you got the jack stand steel for $20. Make sure you guys pick these up if you guys see them. They did not have a price on them, but they are $20. $129 from $199 for the jack. They still got the buy one get one free, guys. Remember, some of the brands are blowing the price. So especially that yellow, I'll show you guys right now. You got $99 down from $119. There's a smart fingerprint deadbolt. That's pretty interesting what they did with this. I don't know how it works. Alright, so $2.99 down from, or actually $2.99, get a free pair of batteries. You guys are able to hack this. This is still a great deal on this saw. Those are the batteries you can get for free, or you can return them and get the credit for it. They do still have the DeWalt's, and then the buy one get one frees on the back for all the brands. I'm not going to go over all of them in detail because we already did that on the past. So $13.97. This is still a killer deal on these. 3-piece adjustables, less than what, $4 a piece. And same thing with these or locking pliers. Still killer deal on this fastbacks. This is the original fastback from Milwaukee. You buy 3 save 10, buy 5 save 30. So there's still some on the stores. This is what they got left on this one. So not bad. Stock up on those for the rest of the year. You got a 13-inch string trimmer and a blower. A tool 7 down from $229. And then that jack was $129 down from $199. It's a 3-ton. This is another section that they have. I know they have a lower profile one. This one's just a regular 3-ton. Alright, got the telescoping power scrubber, $119. That's a pretty good deal on this one. And then they got the impact wrench, $299 down from $119. Then they got this one. This is actually pretty good. 15 angled finish nailer. So it's a good discount on this one. And it is the combo, so it does come with the charger in the back. Alright, talking about discounts, $3.99, guys. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. And they're still giving you the buy one get one free. So you buy this kit for $3.99. It's $100 off. Plus you're getting the 2 free tools. Pretty killer deal. 6 amp hour batteries, 2-pack, $149. Down from $199, and then you got the buy one get one free on the top. So they still got those. And then the regular price on that, $3.99 is $4.99. Alright, so this is the promotion that they got still going on for the holidays. You buy the stand, you buy the saw and get a stand for free. This is what it looks like when it's all set up. It's a really nice setup, by the way. However, the stand is a little big, but it works. All right, some stores have these on clearance for $20. Those speakers. Same thing with these. These are $20. Here at the store, it's half price, so it's pretty good. Sound bar for the garage or whatever. Same thing with this TV in the garage. $22 down to hang it up. All right, so they got the buy one get one free as I explained it on the last video. You can either choose rigid or Ryobi. I would definitely go with the rigid, much better. Or let us know that in the comment section which one you have. Do you have the Ryobi or the rigid? Let us know. I do prefer the rigid though. All right, so this one's $13.98. This is actually a pretty dang good toolbox. You guys look at the latches here. I really like the quality on the Huskies. You got a double bearing drawer on that one, and it's $13.98. I really like what they're doing. You got a power strip there on the right, $5.49. I mean $5.48 for this one. This is a much smaller one. It does have the self-closing, so that's pretty nice. Much smaller unit. And then talking about some nice discounts, check this one out. This one's a black with the solid wood top. $7.98 down from $10.98. So that's a big discount on the 14 drawer. Really feels premium. Yeah, that one got stuck because it has a wire for the keys. It does have the power strip on the side, and then they got this folding cart for $149. It is plastic, by the way. It is lighter. All right, so they got the gift center. They got this one, $19.97. It's a power strip Surge 3-pack. Another item that they have is the socket shelf. This is a pretty nice. You can put the cell phone or whatever you have, accessories for a room or for the bathroom. That's pretty nice. It has all sorts of USB Type-C and all that. I'm gonna see if I can get some from Amazon. Maybe I'll make a video for you guys. See what's up. All right, job site security starter kit from the Ring. This is $160 down from $399. This is actually a pretty dang good discount. You can even use that at the house. Contact sensor 2-piece, $20 down from $40. Got the Blink wired floodlight camera, great for the house. This was $83 down from $139. Pretty good deal on that one. Got a pole saw, $144 down from $159. I do have this one personally, worked pretty good. All right, so if you guys need some parts for the mower, you got the old mower and need some parts, you got $15 down from $30 for the wheels. And then you got some more wheels here for $10 down from $21. You got a detachable blade or detached blade. That's it right there, pretty inexpensive. You got another one here, $24 down from $25 from Toro. Then the Milwaukee replacement blade. Got a Milwaukee mower. Make sure you buy yourself a few of these. Have some extra ones laying around. For $6, pretty good deal. Alright, so $153 down from $169. Expanded tiller. So this is an attachment. And I did hear from the Deal Team 6 that they're posting a lot of these are getting clearanced out. So be on the lookout on these on your store, either Lowe's or Home Depot. Yes, I said Lowe's. Home Depot does not own this channel, so I do own it myself. I can say whatever I want. All right, you got DeWalt new hand tools there I never seen before. And then you got some more clearance here or new lower price here on the garden section. So you guys stock up on these for the spring. It's coming. A couple more months, and actually 3 more months, and we're already gonna get it here. $63 off from $99. If you guys are doing some remodels or rental properties, now's the time. Stock up on those. And then you got some gloves, $4.53 down from $17. You got some Wi-Fi here, Google Wi-Fi. I don't know exactly how good is this, but it's $100 down from $199. Let us know that in the comment section, because I'm looking for something like this myself. But it looks pretty good for half price. So, all right, so $252 down from $279. Got a cordless slider, miter saw slider. So pretty good. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short, quick video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and you guys have a great new year. Stay safe out there.